yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, I will do unboxing. I don't know where this came from, but let us see. I have my scissor here.
But you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right.
Okay, this is from Modelones.
Maybe I can get it right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right.
I just want to show you the content of the box. And here's the first one. This is the base coat and the top coat. Base coat. Top coat. And the base coat. And these are the tools you need to use. The nail file. Nail file. And wow, this is good. This can be used to remove your cuticles. Wet wipes to use for removing the gel polish. And next, some mini UV LED nail lamp. User's manual, non-harmful to eyes, products quality and warranty. Okay. The cable. And this one. Sun Mini UV LED nail lamp. Okay. Ito. Okay. And you need to put your nails here. This is great. And this one is the Art Deco. It has very nice box. So perfect 6 gel polish. So this is the gel polish. Let us join the Modelones community. Get free samples. Subscribe Facebook feeds. Message enter sample 2020. Wow, you can get sample from them, guys. Here is the instruction. Okay, here it is non-toxic, easy to apply, long-lasting. So there's a tip for applying gel polish. The ingredients, the warning are here. So it looks good. It looks great. So let us see. What are those 6 gels? Okay. They have here a manual. Okay, it is written in English, in German, in Italian, and what else? Spanish. And what else? In French. I think this is Russian. I don't know. It's great because it is written in different languages. And here we go. Wow. Modelones. So we will try this, guys. 6 different gel polish. So let us see.
No pressure, there's no reason other than I want to see just what you do to me. Bring a smile.
So before we start, we will prepare all the things that we need. If it's all ready, then we will start by putting base coat first. Just apply a thin layer onto your nails. A base coat will help to create an even surface for the nail polish to be applied. And it is the band between the nail plate and the polish. When dark colors are painted directly in the nail plate, they can cause yellowing of the nails for long periods of time. But with applying a base coat to the nails first, this will be prevented. After applying the base coat to your 4 fingers, dry it up using this UV lamp for 1 to 2 minutes. And for your thumb finger as well. And now you can choose which color you want to apply, and this is the gel number 9. I love this color. The gel is so creamy and it's easy to apply. You can see the instructions on how to use this from their manuals. Next is we will try this gel number 7. This is also very nice, nude color. And the next is the gel number 10. Wow, this is also my favorite. it is glittered silver. And this one is the gel number 11. This is also very nice. It is glittered gold.
Raindrop on the blacktop, heart stop, feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town.
And for my little finger, I will use this number 12.
Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days,
I can say that this Art Deco set is perfect. I'm sure you will love this too. After that, you need to dry it up again using this UV lamp for 1 to 2 minutes. Same as to your thumb finger. Then after that, you can apply your top coat. This type of nail polish is a clear colored polish formula that is used specifically after applying nail polish to the nail. It forms a hardened barrier for the nail that can prevent chipping, scratching, and peeling. It can also add shine with a pretty finish. Dry it up for the last time for 1 to 2 minutes or until it dries. Same as to your thumb nail. And to your other hand, simply apply same procedure. Please don't forget to visit the description box under this video to see their website and the promo code that they can offer to you if you want to purchase this item. At last, it's done. Very nice. It's elegant. Modelones Art Deco Gel Nail Collection. You can find all the links in the description box below. Thank you, Modelones!